How you doing, guys? Welcome to the last episode of 2018. I believe this is gonna be the last one, and like I mentioned in my last episode, I was gonna do the review on these LEDs. This is a new eBay product, so I would like to do a test to see how this $20 eBay looks like against these almost $60 Amazon LEDs. So first thing, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the same footage that I record when I did the episode between these ZDATT LEDs and the HIDs. So I don't have to redo that part because I already did that. So I'm just gonna show you the footage from that day. Now we have the LEDs. High beam, low beam. And this episode is not sponsored. I pay for everything with my own money. In these ones, you have the plug, the little fan to extract the heat from the LED, and the pure LED. 180 degrees with the light. You can see it has two lights on this side and another two on this side. So let's see the lighting difference between the ZDATT and these LEDs. But if I like these LEDs and I like how they look on the car, maybe I keep these ones and I'm gonna do another giveaway on these ones. But that's gonna be after I give away the headlights for the Accord. And remember, again, in the description of this episode, I'm gonna put the link for my Facebook page. I don't see anybody going in there, liking the page and comment about what kind of Accord you guys have. Once I hit the 6,000 subscribers and the headlights gets ready, I'm just gonna pick whoever make a comment and like my Facebook page, and that's how I'm gonna do the giveaway. And if you see right here, that's the new LED. Make sure that you do positive with positive, negative with negative on the connection. I'm gonna turn off my fog lights. To begin with, that's how they look without the fog lights. That's the light output for these LEDs. Because these LEDs, they don't have filters on, the light is more direct, like the HIDs, but in LEDs. To be honest, I like the way this one looks. It looks more, the HID looks more direct, and this one is spread out a little bit more than the other LEDs. But you be the judge. I'm gonna start driving around and you tell me how these ones look. What do you guys think about these LEDs? They're more like just pure white. I like these ones too. High beams. Everything works like on the other ones. Okay guys, with that being said, I hope you have enough information to go HIDs, LEDs. I've been trying to cover everything. One more thing about these LEDs, I don't see any flickering on them. They look really good, really bright, and I might stick with these ones for a little while. And if I get tired, I'll just go back to the HIDs or the other LEDs. So with that being said guys, if you have questions, please comment down below. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.